Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. For that you need to turn off the phone first, and if it's completely off, then you need to connect the phone with a computer. And it's not enough to connect the phone just with a power charging adapter. No, you need to connect it with a computer, and the computer needs to be turned on. Okay, then you will see here the charging icon. And now we will need the buttons. So we will need the power button and the volume up button. Long press now these both buttons until you see the Samsung logo. There it is. And leave your fingers. Wait a few seconds. And then we should be in the Android recovery menu. Yes, we are. Now we can disconnect the phone from the computer. And we continue like that. So you can't use the touch screen. You need to navigate with the buttons. So you will need the volume keys to go down with the volume down button and to go up with the volume up button. And later with the power button you can confirm it. First of all, we will need now the 5th point, wipe data factory reset. So go down now with the volume down key to wipe data factory reset. And then confirm now with the power button. The phone is asking now you if you're really sure what you're doing. Yes, we are. So we need to go down to factory data reset. Confirm now again with the power button. And that's it. Pretty fast, huh? Okay, but the next step is taking a bit more time because we have to reboot now the system. So we are already on reboot system now. So just confirm it with the power button. And yeah, that's it. So this procedure will take 1 or maximum 2 minutes. And then you are from the start, you can enter your Google email address, set up the language, and so on and so on. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And if you want to resell the phone, I wish you a good price. And if you had the problem before, I hope that everything works and so on. If you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for your support. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks for the phone and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.